project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. Now let me fold them real quick. Great! Now let's put them together. First step. Now these go like this. And then this one goes on top. Yeah, it's a bit tricky, I know, but I'm sure you will love the result. That's the cube we've got. What do you say, Sammy? Shall we play?
Whoa, this looks so much fun! Oops, I think I'm hungry.
Yeah, I could eat something too. You know, this gave me an idea for our next craft.
We need to make a nice cake. No! Better a craft with candy. No! A donut.
Yeah, nice try, Sweet Tooth. We're gonna make an avocado poppet.
What? No candy? That's not fair. Ugh.
I'm sorry, it's just that avocado is so cute. I couldn't resist.
All right then. I support cuteness.
Awesome!
I'll even take part in making this avocado even cuter.
Oh, that's so sweet. Great job, Sammy. Now, let's put it all together. Here we go. It should look nice and neat. Well, what do you say?
Wow! Let me poke a poppet too!
And the best part, our poppet works as an eraser as well.
Huh. I'm so hungry. What if I just take a tiny bite?
No, Sammy, you can't eat it. No way.
But I want to eat it so much!
Wait, I know something to distract you.
I hope it's something tasty. I mean, inspiring, or I'll start eating everything in my sight.
I promise you'll love it. Just give me a couple minutes.
2 minutes! Clock's ticking!
What? Am I on time now? Okay.
Time's up! Too bad you didn't make it! I'm starting to eat everything in my sight. Right now! Hey!
Stop fooling around. Why don't you better find me a marker?
Alright, here's a marker, but I get to draw the face. Done.
Cute. Let me only put the last pieces together, and voila! This is a little monkey, and she's having a good time.
Is that monkey mocking me? Give it to me, Sue.
Whoa, whoa, easy, tiger. Although, you were spinning so hard that now I want to put it on paper.
What? Oh, whatever. I'm ready for a new craft.
We're going to make a spinning top. For this, we will need paper, of course.
Wow! How did you do that? Will you teach me, please?
Haha. Okay, now focus and make not one, but several sheets of paper in different colors at once.
I'm trying to. It doesn't work. Maybe I should spin harder.
Yay! Wow!
Do you see these birds too?
Oh, Sammy, I think you better lie down. And you, friends, watch closely. Great, right? I need a wooden skewer or something.
And now, the moment everyone has been waiting for. It's Sam's big throw! He did it! He really did it!
Yay!
The crowd's cheering, the fans are swooning.
Look what a great spinning top we made. Here we go.
I haven't had this much fun ever since I jump raced with the frogs back in Tibidaba!
Great idea.
How much longer do I have to wait? I want to jump with the frogs, Sue.
Oh, sorry, but I don't have any suitable paper left.
It's a good thing there's still plenty of fish in the sea, isn't it? Here you go. One man's trash is another man's treasure.
Good point, Sammy. I like your thinking. Are you ready, friends? 3, 2, 1, let the speed paper folding begin. So, Sammy, when did you get so wise?
It's hard to stay the same after a day in the pond surrounded by frogs, Susan.
Oh, wow. That must have been a very interesting day. And we're done here. Oh, wait. Let's make our buddy a friend. Ribbit, ribbit!
Jacques, is that you? I missed you guys so much. Ow! Come on! Ow! What's gotten into you? How could I forget? My frog friends were real ninjas. They even had ninja stars and stuff. No! Help!
Ninja stars, you say, huh? How's this for a ninja star, Sammy?
You've already done it! Wow, that was fast.
Cool!
Now throw! Hey-ya! It doesn't work very well, Sue.
Of course not, because it's just a sketch. Now I'm starting to make a ninja star. Just give me a minute.
I'm tired of waiting. What if we throw these? They could work as stars.
Come on, Sammy. Don't make a mess. Although, these pieces of paper are just what I need. Cool! Let's put it all together. This should be super cool. Sammy, catch!
So cool. You know, it reminds me of something. It's colorful and it's spinning. I know. It looks like a spinner. It is so great that we came up with the same idea.
Tell me about it. We work like a well-oiled machine.
Feels like we can even finish each other's craft.
You were going to say crafts, right?
I was going to say sentences, but crafts are okay too.
I almost got it right. And look, we're nearly done here. I just need to insert the toothpick, like this, and glue 2 pieces of cardboard from both sides.
Spin it, Sue. Spin it hard. Yay! Cool. Uh-oh, I don't feel so well.
Congratulations to you, Sue and Sam. You have spent so much time folding paper, you have reached a diamond level. And now you'll learn about the secret super cool origami craft. What's up?
Oh, stop it, Origami Master. That tickles.
Strange. I don't know how, but I got the idea for my next craft.
So what was it? This end goes here, and then this one goes where? Sue, a little help?
Let me see. If I remember correctly, it should go something like this.
Wow!
Oh yeah, that's right! Now I'm starting to recollect everything!
Nice! Then let's get on with it.
From my paper heart to yours!
That's sweet, but we will play later with it. We've got a lot of steps to do. Check out this caterpillar. It's so much fun. But I feel there is one more thing. Whoa, so this is what the super secret craft is all about.
It's fun and all, but I'm getting a little tired of staring at things. I can literally feel the energy vibrating in me.
Just don't tear the house down. What should I do? How do you feel about soccer? Okay, Sammy, I'm gonna let you out, but you gotta use all this energy to bring me paper, right?
Holy cannoli!
I hope he doesn't forget about the paper. What? Wow.
Oh, don't mind me, just ran around the earth. Picked up some paper you asked for.
Like right around the globe, you mean? I wish I had a few paper clips at hand.
It's already done! Your paper clips, milady!
Why, thank you. But let's get back to our craft. There's a lot of weaving to be done here. Now I can remove these. Well, is it a cool soccer ball or what?
It's brave of you to challenge the toughest soccer player ever! Hey!
Who's the toughest player now? And since I won, the next craft will be what I want it to be.
Hey, Sue, check it out! I'm like a peacock!
Oh, you'll crumple them up.
Aren't you forgetting something? touch me!
As for the craft, this is where we need to glue all these elements together.
This will make a good base!
Right. Now I'm gonna put all the pieces together real quick. Look at this beauty. Doesn't it look cute?
What is that anyway? Is it a whirlwind?
Oh, you gave me a craft idea again.
This is it. The things you do for a good cause.
You do realize you didn't have to drink all the water to get the lids.
You're kidding, right? Uh-oh. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Hurry up! Oh, and grab some clay from my bag on your way out.
Here you go!
We'll use it to secure the stick inside our whirlwind and give it some weight.
Right! I'm drawing a design on it then. I want it to spin faster than any other whirlwind in the world.
Wow!
Done! Let's see it in action. That's great! It really is the fastest whirlwind ever. Finally, a problem solved.
Phew! I'm so tired after all this crafting. I feel as lazy as a caterpillar.
Then we simply have to make you a caterpillar friend.
It's so nice to lie like this and do nothing.
Why are you lying down? We're not done yet. We need to cut everything according to the pattern.
Okay, boss. I'll do it in a flash. Here you go. I hope this works.
Perfect. Let me glue it all together.
I'll help with the legs so our caterpillar can walk.
Look at this cute little face. I want to name her Dolly. That's it. Now our Dolly can crawl wherever she wants to go.
Hey, I'm the fastest crawler in this house. I'm going to beat you. Oh. I hope you don't mind if I join you for a meal. I love being a caterpillar.
That's weird. Anyway, thanks for being with us today, friends. It means a lot to us. We love you.
See you guys soon. Bye.
Oh, I didn't even get to the chorus.
Exactly. We prefer you didn't.
I have no chance. Have you seen how mean they are?
You should at least give it a try like the others. I believe in you.
You're right. I'm at least going to try. Thank you, Princess.
Go, Fiona! Yeah! Go for it!
You're the best!
Oh, 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 oh,
Your voice is far too, really far too,
Horsey.
Hey, she's not a horse. She's a unicorn.
And her voice is perfect!
We're the Singing Roses. We decide who's good and who's not.
Whoa, this is the one time the twin princesses can't cheat because no one could ever say they're good singers.
Bravo! Excellent! Beautiful! Exquisite singing! We found them! The new singers we've been looking for!
Wait 1 minute. There are 2 of them and only 1 spot.
We'll bend the rule for such talent.
Yay! We're gonna be stars!
Yes, you're the future Singing Roses. Hurry along, lots to do.
Something's not right here.
Obviously, I should have been chosen.
No, me. Or either of us, actually. Or Lady Fiona. But not those 2.
It's funny how they were in such a hurry. Wait, what's this?
Huh? A wig from a rose costume.
Hey, isn't that what those judges were wearing?
I don't think those were the real Singing Roses, which means the real Singing Roses could be in trouble. And I think I know where they are. Come on. Okay, they're busy. Let's take a look around.
Look, the singing roses. Oh no, snails can bite.
She's right, and these little fellas haven't eaten since this morning.
They haven't eaten?
Huh? Whoa! I said whoa!
Oh, thank you, thank you. How can we ever repay you?
You could call everyone back for an audition, but a real one this time.
Aren't you going to the audition?
No. We were disqualified for cheating. So unfair. And it's all your fault.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
La 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 la, la 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 la, ow. Ba ba da da wow, la la la, la 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 la, oh lila,
La 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 la.
oh lila, la 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 la, ooh la la,
Wow.
la 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 la.
La 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 la. Whoa oh 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 ooh 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 ooh. Bravo, bravo, we have a winner.
Good job, Billy. We're lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to